I love this little Mother's Day do-it-yourself recipe card holder. My brother made me one years ago and I have used it for my recipes ever since. Just clip them right in there. So you cut a block to size. I'd already cut ours, so I'm just showing you on a piece of paper how you measure, and then you cut the block diagonally in that shape. Sand all the surfaces, and then you're going to paint all the different sides a solid color so that when you are done and it's dry, you can start making your own little design. And of course, mine has to have some orange and some blue on it. Those are just my favorite colors right now. And you paint both sides of your design, so you have it on both sides of your little recipe holder. So when everything's all dry, you set it up and you glue on the clothespin either with wood glue or hot glue. And it is just so cute. Mom's gonna love it for Mother's Day. Mother's Day do-it-yourself recipe card holder. Find more ideas from Mom at welcometonanas.com.